Creating SolidWorks assembly. Of the finished part is a rod, position rod, cylinder, crankshaft, corpus and axis. In the assembly document is done by adding detail. Activate the command Insert Component to get started in the window. Select item and place on the stage. Add some corpus and replace. Insert another component is a position rod. Specify and click and hold left mouse button, drag on the working field and release and click. Add other items using the paste command on the component assembly panel. For interaction models, use interface rod, and another, and using the mate create assembly. Coincident that plate surface and that surface. And another one component is the axis. Beside the left mouse button, hold and drag on the working field and click on any place. Made some concentric is a surface cylinder and surface hole, and click right mouse button or click OK. Another mate is a tangent surface that and cylindrical surface the axis, and OK, and create coincident that plate. Exit from mate, creating mate, and move component. We have displacement that component, and we have rotate that component.